My Samsung dryer is giving an error code of T5. It will run for 20 to 30 seconds, shut down and give the code. Model hash serial hash.
Error TS means that your thermistor sensor has failed and will need to be replaced. You and number 39, LL need to remove the thermistor sensor and replace it, which is inside the dryer. Do follow the wires and make sure they didn't at number 39, T break between the sensor and the control board. If that checks good, then below is a link to the sensor you and number 39, D need to order. There is a video at the bottom of the link that also shows you how to replace the part. Click here for sensor. We are on the Honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.